guys, I'm here with Paul Jake and Tony Son, the men behind Griller Steakhouse. And guys, tell us what makes it different from other steakhouses or restaurants here in Cebu.
What makes us different?
We serve dry-aged meatless steaks. We made to a point our prices are affordable. We had a tagline like pay less to taste the meat. So that's why it's affordable, and we made to a point also it's a fast food type of a restaurant, so that we can cater for all classes.
When you say steakhouse, the whole perspective of a steakhouse is fine dining.
Sit down,
you get served. You
Dress
get
up properly.
dress up properly. Right now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to remake the whole design of the whole concept of steakhouse. So once you come to Grillers Steakhouse, you don't get the fine dining experience. So you get to line up here in our where you take your order, then you get your salad, and then after that you come and have a seat, and then your steak gets served to you. So basically, we're remaking the whole image of steakhouse. Yeah.
Wow. So what can Cebuanos order here? I mean, what can you recommend for first time diners?
Go ahead.
Okay, I can recommend the Tomahawk because so far now we are the only steakhouse who's serving Tomahawk with 500 and 1,000 grams. And I can also recommend also the ribeye, which is a very affordable price.
Perfect ribeye.
Perfect. So that's the two main dish that we are really pushing it.
Ikaw ba, for a health buff, what can you recommend?
For a health buff, we also have our salads here. You know, we have the tuna vin salad right over here, the chicken vin salad, bacon vin salad, smoked salmon vin salad, and the honey tender vin salad. We also have
Griller salad.
the griller salad, which is tuna, chicken, bacon, and honey tender and salmon. So we have two types of salad.
The difference between the griller salad and the vin salad, the grillers is the mayonnaise base, and the vin is the vinaigrette base salad.
It's a must. You guys should try it. Yeah, guys. I'd like to invite everyone, steak lovers, come to Griller Steakhouse. We're here in Fortuna, just near the Maria Luisa flyover. Test us out. Yeah.
And also try our salads. It's very unique. So try our salad with steaks.